Greetings and welcome to another enlightening episode on the Investor Web channel. For those who are joining us for the first time, Investor Web is your go-to resource for all things entrepreneurial, offering insights, advice, and inspiration to help you navigate your business journey. Today, we delve into a topic of paramount importance: how to befriend successful people. Now, you might be wondering, why would I need to befriend successful people? Well, successful people are often rich in experience, wisdom, and connections, and their influence can open doors that might otherwise remain closed. For entrepreneurs, this can be an invaluable asset, helping you to grow both personally and professionally. But remember, this isn't about manipulation or using people. It's about building genuine, mutually beneficial relationships that enrich our lives and our businesses. So, ready to learn the art of befriending successful individuals? Buckle up for an enlightening journey? Networking is not just about exchanging business cards, it's much more than that. Let's dive into the heart of networking and its significance. Networking, in essence, is about cultivating meaningful relationships. It's a process that fosters a sense of community among individuals who share common interests and pursuits. These relationships can open doors to a world of opportunities, whether it's landing your dream job, sparking a business collaboration, or simply gaining access to a wealth of knowledge and experiences. Moreover, networking is a powerful tool for personal growth. By surrounding yourself with a diverse group of individuals, you expose yourself to different perspectives, ideas, and ways of thinking. This diversity can challenge your beliefs, push your boundaries, and ultimately spur your growth. In the world of entrepreneurship, your network can be your greatest asset. It's your key to unlocking resources, insights, and opportunities otherwise inaccessible. So, invest time in building and nurturing these relationships. Remember, your network is your net worth. Authenticity is the key to any successful relationship. No truer words have been spoken, especially when it comes to forming connections with successful individuals. Let's dive into the concept of being genuine. Some may view it as a buzzword tossed around in self-help books and inspirational speeches, but it's far from that. Being genuine is about embracing who you are, warts and all. It's about standing firm in your values, expressing your thoughts and feelings honestly, and not being afraid to show vulnerability. Why is this so important in developing relationships with successful people? The answer is simple. Successful individuals have a knack for spotting the genuine from the insincere. They've climbed the ladder of success, not by being someone they're not, but by being who they truly are. They've faced challenges, overcome obstacles, and have learned to value authenticity in themselves and others. Think about it. Would you rather engage with someone who is pretending to be someone else, or with someone who is true to themselves? The latter, right? Successful people are no different. They appreciate authenticity, as it forms the basis for trust, respect, and mutual understanding. Being genuine also allows you to build deeper, more meaningful connections. When you're true to yourself, you're able to connect on a level that goes beyond superficial niceties. You're able to engage in conversations that are real, that matter. You're able to share your experiences, learn from theirs, and build a relationship that's based on mutual respect and understanding. So how can you be more genuine? Start by embracing your uniqueness. Celebrate your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and don't be afraid to show your true self. Be open and honest in your conversations. Listen actively and show empathy, and most importantly, stay true to your values, even when they're challenged. Remember, successful people didn't get where they are by pretending to be someone they're not. They got there by being genuine, by being true to themselves. So, if you want to form meaningful connections with successful individuals, you need to do the same. Successful people value authenticity, so be true to yourself. It's not about what you can get, but what you can give. Now, this is a principle that is at the heart of establishing meaningful relationships, especially with successful people. Let's delve a bit deeper into this idea. It's all about adding value. Just imagine, if you will, a world where everyone is just out to get something for themselves. It's a bit bleak, isn't it? That's because the most vibrant, lively communities, businesses, and relationships thrive on the exchange of value. It's not a one-way street. It's a bustling intersection where everyone has something to contribute. So, how do you add value to others' lives? Well, it could be as simple as sharing knowledge or providing support. Perhaps you're a whiz at digital marketing, or you have a knack for motivational speaking. Maybe you're a fantastic cook or a talented musician. Whatever your strengths, sharing them with others can not only enrich their lives but also deepen your relationships. Sometimes adding value isn't about what you know or can do, it's about who you are. It's about listening when someone needs a sympathetic ear, offering a word of encouragement when they're feeling low, or just being there when they need a friend. It's about empathy and understanding, about offering a helping hand without expecting anything in return. And then there are services. If you run a business, you add value by providing high-quality products or services that solve a problem or fulfill a need. If you're an employee, you add value by doing your job to the best of your ability, constantly striving to improve and contribute to the success of your team. But remember, this isn't about keeping score. It's not about doing something for someone so they'll owe you a favor. It's about genuinely wanting to make a positive difference in others' lives. It's about following the golden rule, treating others as you would like to be treated. In the end, the more value you add to others' lives, the stronger your relationships will be. And the stronger your relationships, the more opportunities for growth and success will come your way. When you add value to others' lives, they'll want to do the same for you. Consistency is the key to building and maintaining relationships. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth. It's the cornerstone of any strong, lasting relationship, particularly when you're striving to befriend successful individuals. Imagine you're building a bridge. Each interaction, each effort made is a brick in that bridge. The more consistent you are, the stronger and more reliable your bridge becomes. And just like a bridge, relationships need regular maintenance to remain sturdy. Think about your interactions. Consistency in communication is crucial. It's not about bombarding someone with messages every single day, but rather about maintaining a steady, reliable presence. Reach out regularly, share insights, ask thoughtful questions, and show genuine interest in their responses. This consistent engagement shows that you're not just there for a one-off interaction, but for a long-term, meaningful connection. Equally important is being consistent in your follow-ups. If you've promised to send over an article, do it. If you've scheduled a call, be on time. These might seem like small things, but they speak volumes about your reliability. Each fulfilled promise, each timely follow-up strengthens the trust between you and solidifies your place as a dependable individual in their eyes. And let's not forget about consistency in your efforts. Every relationship requires effort, and the ones with successful people are no different. This could mean consistently working on your skills, keeping up with industry trends, or even consistently showing kindness and respect. Your consistent effort not only shows your dedication, but also increases your value in their eyes, making you more than just a casual acquaintance. Consistency is like the rhythm that keeps the music of a relationship flowing. It's the steady beat that reassures and builds trust. It's the rhythm that says, I'm here, I'm reliable, and I'm invested in this relationship. So remember, when it comes to building relationships with successful people, consistency isn't just important, it's essential. Be consistent and earn their trust. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through a fascinating exploration of how to become friends with successful people. It all begins with recognizing the importance of networking. Networking isn't just about meeting people, it's about creating meaningful connections that can open doors to opportunities and mutual growth. Remember, your network is your net worth. The second point we touched on was authenticity. Be genuine in your interactions. Authenticity is not a strategy, it is a way of life. It's about being true to who you are and what you believe in. Successful people value authenticity and can spot a fake from a mile away. So don't try to be someone you're not. Be you because everyone else is already taken. Next, we delved into the importance of adding value. Friendship is a two-way street. If you want to build a lasting relationship with successful people, you need to bring something to the table. It doesn't have to be something tangible. It could be your knowledge, your skills, or your perspective. The key is to make sure that your interaction is enriching for both parties. Lastly, we discussed the importance of consistency. Building relationships, like any other endeavor, requires consistent effort. You can't expect to build a deep connection with someone if you only reach out to them when you need something. Be consistent in your efforts, be there in good times and bad, and over time you'll cultivate a strong bond. Remember, the journey to becoming friends with successful people is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building a foundation of trust and respect over time. It's not always easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Thank you for tuning in to the Investor Web. We hope this guide has been insightful and inspiring. If you've found value in this video, do us a favor and hit the subscribe button. We're constantly creating content to help you navigate your path to success, and we'd love to have you join our community. Remember, the journey to becoming friends with successful people is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep these points in mind and you'll surely reach your destination. Thank you for tuning in to the Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.